What if the secret to deeper sleep isn't a new mattress, expensive supplements, or a complicated bedtime routine? What if it's sitting quietly in a pot right next to your bed? Most people know about common bedroom plants like snake plants and peace lilies, but there are several unusual plants that can transform your sleeping environment in surprising ways. These remarkable plants don't just add beauty to your room, they can help improve air quality, increase humidity, reduce stress, and create a calming atmosphere that encourages better rest. Scientists have long studied the connection between nature and sleep. Being surrounded by greenery can help lower stress levels and create a more relaxing environment. Certain plants release soothing fragrances, while others help maintain healthier indoor air conditions that may contribute to a more comfortable night's sleep. In today's video, we're revealing 5 unusual bedroom plants that many people have never considered for their sleeping space. From exotic flowers with calming scents to fascinating plants that thrive in low light, these green companions may help turn your bedroom into a peaceful sanctuary. Stay until the end because the final plant on our list is one of the most beautiful and underrated sleep-friendly plants you can grow indoors. Let's discover nature's secret sleep helpers. Number 1. Jasmine plant. Jasmine is often associated with beautiful gardens, but few people realize it can be an incredible bedroom plant. Its delicate white flowers release a sweet fragrance that becomes more noticeable during the evening hours, making it perfect for nighttime relaxation. The scent of jasmine has been admired for centuries for its calming and comforting qualities. Many people find that the gentle aroma helps create a peaceful atmosphere that encourages relaxation before bedtime. Simply entering a room filled with the soft fragrance can feel like stepping into a tranquil retreat. Jasmine plants prefer bright indirect sunlight during the day and moderate watering. Placing one near a bedroom window allows it to receive enough light while still becoming part of your nighttime environment. Beyond its fragrance, jasmine adds elegance and natural beauty to any bedroom. The glossy green leaves and star-shaped flowers create a soothing visual effect that enhances the feeling of serenity in your space. Unlike artificial air fresheners, jasmine provides a natural and constantly evolving scent experience. As the flowers bloom, they fill the room with subtle notes that can make bedtime feel more enjoyable and calming. If you're looking for a bedroom plant that engages both the eyes and the senses, jasmine is an excellent choice. Number 2. Gardenia. Gardenia is one of the most luxurious and unusual bedroom plants you can grow indoors. Known for its creamy white blossoms and rich fragrance, this plant instantly transforms a room into a peaceful sanctuary. The scent of gardenia is often described as soothing, soft, and comforting. Many people enjoy having this plant in their bedroom because its aroma creates a relaxing environment that helps them unwind after a long day. Gardenias prefer bright indirect light and slightly moist soil. While they require a bit more attention than some houseplants, the reward is absolutely worth the effort. Their stunning flowers and glossy green leaves make them one of the most attractive indoor plants available. A gardenia plant can also serve as a beautiful focal point in your bedroom decor. Its elegant blooms bring a touch of sophistication while maintaining a connection to nature. One reason gardenias are considered unusual bedroom plants is that many people assume they belong only outdoors. However, with proper care, they can thrive indoors and become a valuable part of your nighttime environment. The combination of beauty, fragrance, and calming presence makes gardenia a wonderful choice for anyone seeking a more relaxing bedroom atmosphere and a better overall sleep experience. Number 3. Valerian plant. Valerian is perhaps one of the most surprising plants on this list. While many people recognize valerian as an herbal ingredient, few know that the actual plant can be grown indoors and enjoyed as a bedroom companion. Valerian produces clusters of delicate pink and white flowers that release a pleasant fragrance, especially during the evening. This nighttime scent has made the plant popular among gardeners who appreciate relaxing outdoor spaces, but it can also bring unique benefits indoors. The plant prefers bright sunlight and well-draining soil. Positioning it near a sunny bedroom window allows it to thrive while contributing to a peaceful environment. Valerian has a long history of being associated with relaxation and nighttime comfort. Even without using the plant medicinally, its flowers and natural fragrance can help create a calm atmosphere that supports restful evenings. Visually, valerian offers a charming and slightly wild appearance. The soft flower clusters create a natural cottage garden feel that makes any bedroom seem warmer and more inviting. Because it remains relatively uncommon as a houseplant, valerian is a great conversation starter for plant lovers. It combines beauty, history, and natural charm in one fascinating package. For anyone wanting a truly unique bedroom plant, valerian is an unusual yet rewarding addition to an indoor sleep sanctuary. Number 4. Lavender. Lavender is famous worldwide for its relaxing scent, but surprisingly, many people still don't grow it inside their bedrooms. This fragrant plant has become a symbol of calmness, relaxation, and peaceful living. The moment you brush against lavender's silvery green leaves or enjoy the fragrance of its purple flowers, your room feels more tranquil and inviting. Its soothing aroma helps create a bedtime atmosphere that encourages relaxation after a busy day. Lavender prefers sunlight and good air circulation. A sunny bedroom windowsill is often the perfect place for this beautiful plant. While it enjoys slightly drier soil conditions, proper drainage is essential for healthy growth. In addition to its fragrance, lavender offers striking visual appeal. The delicate purple blooms add color and elegance to any bedroom decor while creating a stronger connection with nature. Many people use dried lavender in pillows, sachets, and aromatherapy products, but growing the actual plant brings a more authentic and natural experience into your living space. Lavender also attracts positive attention because it combines beauty, practicality, and timeless charm. Few plants are as recognizable or as strongly associated with relaxation. If your goal is to create a calming bedroom environment that feels like a luxurious retreat, lavender deserves a special place in your home. Number 5. Night-Blooming Orchid. Our final plant is perhaps the most fascinating of all, the night-blooming orchid. Unlike many common houseplants, this extraordinary orchid releases its fragrance after sunset, making it especially suited for bedroom environments. As evening arrives, the flowers gradually begin releasing a sweet and delicate scent that fills the room with a gentle sense of tranquility. This nighttime blooming habit creates a magical experience that feels almost enchanting. Night-blooming orchids prefer bright indirect light and careful watering. Although they require some patience and attention, their unique beauty makes them one of the most rewarding plants you can grow indoors. The flowers themselves are stunning. Their elegant shapes and exotic appearance instantly elevate the visual appeal of any bedroom. When the blooms open, they create a living display that changes throughout the evening. Because these orchids are less commonly grown than standard houseplants, they offer something truly different. Guests are often amazed when they discover a plant that becomes more fragrant and active at night rather than during the day. For plant enthusiasts looking beyond ordinary bedroom greenery, the night-blooming orchid is a remarkable choice. It combines beauty, mystery, fragrance, and natural elegance into one unforgettable plant that can help transform your bedroom into a peaceful nighttime sanctuary. Which of these unusual bedroom plants would you love to bring into your home? Whether it's the sweet fragrance of jasmine, the luxurious blooms of gardenia, the unique charm of valerian, the calming beauty of lavender, or the magical nighttime scent of a night-blooming orchid, each plant offers its own special way of creating a more peaceful sleeping environment. Remember, better sleep isn't always about major lifestyle changes. Sometimes small improvements to your surroundings can make a noticeable difference. Adding a carefully chosen plant to your bedroom can enhance the atmosphere, bring nature indoors, and help transform your space into a relaxing retreat. The best part is that these plants continue working every day, providing beauty, fragrance, and a stronger connection to nature without requiring expensive equipment or complicated routines. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest plant tips, home decor inspiration, and natural living ideas. Also, tell us in the comments, which of these unusual bedroom plants is your favorite, and do you already keep any plants in your bedroom? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more amazing plant secrets that can make your home healthier, happier, and more beautiful. Happy growing and sweet dreams!